A lot of Etsy and Shopify sellers are not bad at Pinterest. The real problem is that they can't keep posting consistently for long, especially when you have a lot of products. Posting pins manually becomes almost impossible to sustain. Choosing images, writing titles, writing descriptions, scheduling, picking boards. After a few days, it gets exhausting. So later on, I simplified the whole process as much as possible. Now my Pinterest workflow is basically just a few steps. Import products gives choose images, gives generate copies, gives add to queue in bulk, gives auto schedule. In about 10 to 15 minutes, I can schedule a full week of content in advance. Now let me show you my real workflow. This is the platform I built myself for managing my Pinterest publishing workflow. Then I copy the Shopify store URL I want to connect. In the drafting area, I created for new publishing groups to import product images into. After pasting the URL, I click Connect Shopify, and the store gets connected automatically. Once connected, all the products are automatically pulled into the platform. I just select the images I want from each product and import them into the drafting area. Then I repeat the same process for the rest of the images. I usually publish around 30 to 50 pins per week. If your Pinterest account is new, I'd recommend posting around 100 to 200 pins per week. The biggest value of this workflow is not just saving time. It's that you can finally post consistently. Because on Pinterest, the biggest problem is not that you don't know how to do it. It's that you stop after 2 days. After importing the images, I generate new titles, descriptions, and alt text for each one. When I click Analyze Group, the AI automatically generates high-quality content for every image. That includes the title, description, and alt text. At the same time, I can also set the publishing time for each pin. I usually schedule them across 1 week, with about 3 to 5 pins per day. To finish this whole workflow, it really takes me just a little over 8 minutes. Once everything is ready, I can see more than 30 pins sitting in the queue. They just wait there to be published at the scheduled times I set. At that point, I don't really need to manage anything anymore. I just let the system publish everything automatically. Let me show you my Pinterest results from this week. This week, I got 180,000 impressions and 296 outbound clicks on Pinterest. It also brought 276 visits to my Etsy shop, all coming from Pinterest. Pinterest can absolutely drive traffic. There's really no doubt about that. As long as you stay consistent, the traffic will come.